Well, good day viewers, look what we have here. A GL450. And I have a problem with the suspension. I don't think the back tire is supposed to be sitting at an angle like that. Nor is it supposed to be sitting that low. I think it's blown an airbag and lost all of the air or nitrogen out of the system. We're going to lift it up and have a look. So this is the airbag out of the right rear. Basically just undo the line, and if it's already exhausted, which it was, you can pull it out through the suspension components by taking the tire off. So you can see it's split. The left rear is basically in the same condition. The front ones don't look too bad, but I can't tell because they're collapsed right now. My concern is refilling the system afterwards. Changing these parts is not that difficult, but I may not have the tooling required to refill the system. We're looking into it. So replacing the airbags on this Mercedes, disconnected the line. The other side I got out through this opening here just by pushing back on this. So I'm hoping this one will come out too. So we'll see if it'll come out of here. Yeah, like nothing. Then we put the new one in, connect the line, and hopefully this thing levels itself out again. So once you got the airbag clipped back to the top, you have to kind of guide it into place as you're letting the suspension down. And like I said, hopefully this thing's going to run the compressor and pump it back up again for us. Well, that looks significantly better. I'm going to use a scan tool to command the ride height to normal level. So this command commands the left front to raise. Left front is right here. It's at minus 25 millimeters. Let's watch it while I command it up. Have to go one more time. The right front is at 0. There's the right front. The right front's coming up too. And the rear is higher now. The rear is at minus 6 on the right side rear, left side, and plus 20 on the right rear. I think it's leveling it out. Let's see if there's any codes. Suspension strut is implausible. Well, let's make it plausible. Must be off. Engine on, key off. Well, let's try it with it running. Let's see if it cleared. It did. Let's look at data. Level sensors, vehicle level. Minus 15, plus 10, plus 20, minus 6. I'm going to cycle the key a couple times.